Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing fine. I've been thinking what can make my subscribers not to be bored. So I asked myself, what can be fun and beneficial at the same time? Well, the first thing that came into my mind was a Bible quiz. But it's not just any Bible quiz, this one is going to be different. As you can see behind me, the name of it will be Bible Gachaclub. To make this Bible Gacha quiz interesting, I will first upload the questions, and if I see many of you answered, I will upload the correct answers. The ones who gets the highest points will be given a shout out. If you really want to participate, I would like you to write your channel's name and answers to the 5 questions. So before I start the Bible Gacha quiz, let's get to the rules. 1. If you are participating, you have to answer the questions while watching the video. 2. No cheating, do not check the Bible for the correct answer. 3. Do not ask anyone to help you answer the question. 4. Remember, if you cheat, God is watching you. 5. Do not copy anyone else's answer. Answer what you think is right. I think that is all of the rules. Now let's get to the quiz. How old was David when he was anointed king of Israel? To whom did Jesus say, "Get behind me, Satan"? What are the final words of Jesus recorded in the New Testament? Who hid Joshua's spies from Jericho's king? How many years were the Israelites in bondage in Egypt? That is all for today. I hope you enjoyed these questions. See you on the next video. I forgot, Rule 6. No editing your comments, please. If you do, you are disqualified on these 5 questions. I hope you had fun as much as I did. Remember, we are all learning here, so do not feel bad when you did not get the answers correct. May God bless you and your lovely family.